The Ombudsman carried out an investigation into the killing of a child of the liberation struggle, which took place during the clash between the group and the Namibian police last year. The report was handed over to the Prosecutor General, who declined to prosecute, citing insufficient evidence. But Justice Minister Albert Kawana instructed that an inquest be conducted by a judge of the High Court. But some people have been questioning why the Ombudsman report has not been made public so far.
And it will be premature now to reveal this evidence of a particular person, of all the persons, to the public, and the public had to judge who's wrong or who did the killing. That is the job of the court and not of the public.
Walter says his office has investigated a number of cases that had never been made public and cited an example of a report that appeared in one of the local newspapers that a minor girl was raped and the suspect arrested and released on bail and were living in the same house with the victim.
We acted on that. We found out that that was untruth. That was not so. The victim at that time was with family up in a village or a town in the north of our country. We did not respond into the newspapers into that because we found out that is not true.
High Court Judge Christy Liebenberg has been appointed to conduct an inquest into the death of Frida Datipo on the 28th of this month. The Ombudsman was speaking during a media conference with the South African Public Protector, Thuli Madonsela, where they highlighted on the similarities of the functions of their offices.